Pull over. GTA 5 be like that.
Yeah, I killed him! That was all me, bro! Go, 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 go! Run away, run away, run away! What are we stopping for? There's more people!
Somebody else drive. I need to heal.
What's happening right now? Jason, what are you doing?
Hmm?
What are you doing, Adam?
I'm sitting in the passenger seat.
Yeah, I'm trying to put my colon back in. I had 1 health.
Do I look like the driver?
Did you be the driver?
Okay, you
I
two
just saw
fucking...
that guy in the tree, so it's like...
That's all I saw too, was the guy in the tree.
I can shoot at him.
Me and my partner in crime are catching people in the woods.
God damn it, Adam.
Pull over,
What?
motherfucker.
Why'd you say goddamn it?
Because we stopped.
Oh shit. Flashbacks to Nom, brother. Oh shit. Back up, back up.
Where are they? I'm healing, healing. Still healing.
He thinks he's sneaky. He's not. He's right here, right here.
He thinks he's sneaky, he's not.
Was
There's a
that
guy
one of
behind
us?
you, Jason.
I knocked him.
When I ask the question, was that one of
We
you?
couldn't hear you.
Wow, that guy just insta-killed me. What gun did he have?
An R700.
No, the guy who killed me was submachine gun or
Sorry
something.
for being so useless, but somebody didn't tell me someone was standing behind me. Shit.
I knocked another one. Two people are knocked to the
What
right.
the fucking bullshit?
God damn it, Jason.
He's still behind you, Jason.
I assumed somebody killed him. Hang on. I'm
Because he killed me.
shit back in.
Nice, nice.
We suck.
We gotta dip up to this in the cars.
Alright, I'm put back together. Let's make it to the zone here.
Is there healing anywhere?
Yeah, I picked up the healing, unfortunately. I grabbed the bulk of it.
Okay.
I'll divvy it up once we get to the zone.
Did he have any attachments?
Yeah, he's got a cash.
These guys got utterly clapped.
Wow, no good attachments. Fuck.
Okay,
Good, I don't get fucking fuck.
we'll secure a spot in the zone.
You sound like a PA system at a football game, Dan, when you talk with a U thing.
I don't give a shit.
Does mine still
Woo.
not do the doubling when I talk to people?
Fuck it.
No, yours is good. God damn it.
Okay, yeah. Everybody
It
get
wasn't-
voice meter. Holy.
Yeah, that was a fun little ping issue I just had.
Robin, you wanna get on? I got a car, guys.
Yeah, boy, coming.
Hop on, hop on. Alright, 4 and 3, I'm picking you up. 4 and 2, I'm picking you up.
Can't, it's a cop car. They changed it to a four-seater?
Two-seater.
Yeah, cop car's only 2 seats.
Oh yeah, shit, I didn't see that. If you guys want, you guys can take it out of the glider kit.
Okay, Jason, you take the cop car.
Okay.
Run as fast as y'all can, brothers.
My nigga.
Yeah, we're all gonna make it, it's fine. I don't know if someone in the car can go pick him up.
Yeah.
Here, Jason, I'll get out. Go.
Thanks, Black.
Well, I mean, I'm like right here anyway, so.
Robin, let's just stay on this rock right here.
Okay. I got no eyes on anyone right
Good
now.
shit.
Okay.
First aids, how many?
Any number, I have 0.
Yeah, I have no healing, no armor, I have nothing.
Okay. For you?
Holy shit, I don't need 50 bandages though.
Oh, can I have bandages?
Yeah, do you want some? Do you want
Yes,
more?
please. I have none. Like, I literally have nothing. Thank you. I need fucking armor though. Shit.
Apparently I picked up all. Yeah, mine is fucked.
Yeah, mine's not in good condition.
That guy that got you from behind fucked my armor pretty good. We gotta push into that town now.
Alright, guys, I don't know if y'all want to dip now or just wait.
I'm gonna move in and I gotta try to find armor.
We can get the treasure chest.
Probably not the smartest idea, but
This doesn't look looted, there's shit in this house.
it's looted.
It's looted?
Yeah.
Hopefully there was enough body armors that no one picked all of them up.
Not in here.
Yeah, something's going with this building.
If anyone sees a vest, let us know.
Found a vest.
Nothing in this building.
It's not level 2, but it's better than nothing.
You taking it out?
Thanks. Yeah, I got it.
Y'all want to try to go for the vest? We have a speedboat right here. I mean, not for the vest, for the chest.
Do we risk it?
You guys gonna come? Oh, this doesn't have a honk. Oh, there's a barrel right here. Y'all want to go here first? Oh, it's been looted with dead bodies. A lot of 5.56 ammo, that's what I need.
There's a better level 2 vest too. There's half a vest here.
Hang on.
Fucking shit.
Alright guys, let's go. Level 2 vest right there, right, Xen? You do anything?
It's fucked.
Oh.
Fuck, there's a Remington 700 though.
You just want to go for the
Yeah,
chest
so-
or what?
Well, I'd go for it.
Is it worth it at this point?
Well, I doubt it's open. Oh yeah, never mind, just go.
I don't see any bullets splash.
Right there, right there, right there.
Should we go for them? Yeah, never mind.
Okay, my thought was I pull up behind a rock.
We're getting shot from behind too, right?
Can anybody see where we're going?
Okay.
Moving.
Cover me, I'm gonna go past the
You back
rock at close range.
past beyond land. Should we start pushing to evacuation soon?
I'd rather stick to the edge for now, anyway.
I know, but like if we go there now, they can't really do anything.
Somebody.
Still same tree.
Yeah. Ooh, that time he hit me. He figured out where to hit.
Good shit. Just end him.
They're dealt with.
Both?
Yep.
Nice right then.
People fighting at that house right there. But we have heli zone to ourselves, so we can just get on it quick.
We're guys over here anymore. I dealt with them.
Alright, so last people are just east then. Right here at this house. 3 people cover as one person goes up or one. And then the rest goes up and up. Hop on. Whoever, once it comes, one of y'all hop on.
I'll go up.
Drop your healing.
Go, 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 go. I'm going, I'm going, I'm going. Another one go. Another one go, go, go. It's like third person go, third person go.
I got no eyes.
He's the thing, go, go, go. There we go, guys, we got it.
GG, boys. We just totally fucked everybody.
GG.